up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Diwali and I hope this Diwali brings in a lot of love, luck and happiness in all of your lives. And yeah, I did cut my hair. I was planning to cut my hair from a long time. That was the reason I was just chopping it. That was why I didn't mind. Yeah, this was how my hair looked when I started my channel. This was the exact same cut, but I think my hair would have been a little longer than this because my hair had grown when I started my channel. But yeah, I had cut it shorter than this, but then I didn't make a video and it's been 2 weeks. I had cut it till here. This is how my hair looks. This is so me. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's talk about today's video. By now you might have already seen the title and you might already know what the video is about. Yes guys, you got me right. I'm gonna be trying the Squid Game DALGONA candy, and to be very honest, this video took me a very long time to shoot because I took like so many attempts to try this. It took me days. I started this video before the Halloween makeup look and I put in a lot of effort to try it out. So I really want to know if I am gonna survive the challenge. What do you guys think? Will I survive the challenge? I am gonna be trying out the Squid Game candy today. I'm so excited. And in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you must be living under a rock because Squid Game has become so famous lately and all my non-K-drama fan friends are like, oh, Squid Game is so good, and I'm like, oh, from when did you start watching Korean dramas? And yeah, Squid Game is basically all over the internet now, so Instagram is just flooded with these videos. So I thought, why not try it for y'all, because I want to be honest with y'all and let's see if I survive or die. In case you guys still don't know what I'm talking about, you guys have to watch the series Squid Game. I finished watching the series by October 10th or something, and yeah, to be very honest, it is a very nice drama to watch, but it's more like a thriller and not a drama, just a warning. And yeah, there's a lot of violence, and I would personally recommend y'all not to watch Squid Game if you're under 15. Because there is so much of violence and everything, and trust me on this, I had to cover my eyes like this and had to see a few episodes. So yeah, now you get me right. Overall, Squid Game is a very nice series to watch and you must give it a try. And we are not gonna waste any more time and let's see how to make DALGONA candy, and will I survive the DALGONA candy challenge or will I just fail in it? So we are gonna see that today. Please don't judge me guys, as it took me a lot of effort to get it right. Let's see if I'm gonna survive the DALGONA candy challenge or am I gonna die. So I'm gonna give myself a few chances. I'm not just gonna limit myself to one. And that's the best part about it because I get more survival chances. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, thank you so much guys. But in case you're new to my channel and you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Afreen and I make videos related to makeup, fashion, skincare, DIYs, fun challenges like this one and a lot more. So in case you're interested in any of this stuff, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it and be a part of this fam. With that, let's get right into this video. So this was my very first attempt. I just took a pan and added a lot of sugar and waited for it to melt. I have kept the gas on very low flame. I don't think that makes any sense because the sugar started crumbling and it did not melt, as you can see over here. So I've tried my best to make it melt and make it liquid, but that did not happen. So I just stopped at this point of time because I didn't want it to burnt, and I added my baking soda and I mixed it really well. As you can see, this looks very grainy, which is not how DALGONA candy should look. Anyways, I've just mixed it really well and I'm gonna be putting this on my silicone sheet and kind of flattening it. After which I tried flattening it with a thing like this, and trust me, this was the worst decision ever. So I just went ahead and I put my star cookie cutter, and no, this did not work. I hated it. And the taste was pathetic, so I decided to go for my next try. So I just took my pan again, took a lot of sugar, put it on high flame this time, and okay, this was much better than the previous one. And I just added my baking soda and I mixed it really well. This turned out really nice, but when I added this on top of the baking sheet, on top of the silicone sheet, this was pathetic. It looked really disgusting because this was not how I was supposed to put it. And yeah, basically I took a lot of sugar, and that is why this happened. And but the taste was really nice this time. However, I was near the kitchen eating dinner at the dining room at this time, and I heard a tuck, and the one of the biscuits just broke without me breaking them. So once I had taken it off the sheet, it just broke on its own. So I didn't really have a chance to try that out. However, I have this left, so I just tried doing the DALGONA candy challenge with this, but it was too thin and it did not work. So I went for my third try on a third day, and I took a big spoon like this time, and I put some sugar in it and tried to melt it. However, the flame was high, but the spoon was too close to the flame, so it kind of burnt. I'm quickly gonna add my baking soda and mix it really well. As you can see, the color is a little burnt. I couldn't do anything to save that, but I have tried to use the cookie cutter and everything. I decided to make another one, and this time I've added a little less sugar even in the previous one, and I'm keeping this slightly above the flame so that it doesn't burn. I'm gonna quickly mix it continuously, and I can see that the sugar is kind of melting, so I'm just gonna continue mixing, and in no time the sugar is gonna be liquid. So, and once it turned liquid, I've added my baking powder, baking soda, and I've mixed it really well, and this one turned out to be really nice. So I have taken my droplet cookie cutter, and I have tried to imprint it. So one more thing I should have mentioned, I have always greased my cookie cutter so that it does not stick. So this is one trick I followed. I'm just kind of trying to flatten it so that there's no hump or anything of that sort. So yeah, I've just waited it for it to dry and pulled it off. I decided to make another candy, so I'm just taking the same thing again, the wok, the sugar, mixing the sugar and waiting for it to melt. This one turned out really nice. All I've done is melted the sugar without burning it, and it should be a little liquid but without being burnt. I said it too many times, but yeah, you get the whole point, right? Once I've done melting it, I'm just gonna switch off the flame, and I've added quite a lot of baking soda this time, and I'm just gonna mix it. And the color is just like coffee. You know, if you mix coffee too much, the color is beautiful, right? This is like that. And now I'm just gonna flatten it and use my star cookie cutter again. And yeah, that is it. I'm just gonna keep my star cookie cutter and take it off. Now comes the part where I get to know if I do or die. So I'm just trying to break the candy like shown in Squid Game, and yeah, the first candy turned out beautiful. It worked. And moving on to the second one, I am gonna I'm trying to break it even more, but yeah, I'm gonna take my candy and I'm breaking it, and it's coming out beautifully, so there was no problem in this as well. And this is my third candy, trying to break it. I got stuck. Well, the droplet cookie cutter did not really give the proper imprint, because after I took off the cookie cutter, it kind of merged. Honestly, I broke the candy and I tried really hard to cover it, but it's so visible, so yeah, I failed. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I gave myself too many chances. But yeah, it was a very fun video. I enjoyed making this video because, come on, I love experimenting with things, and I bet so do you. And I thought if I experimented this in front of you all, that would be much better, and that is what I did. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. And if you all did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Also, the shout out for this video goes to the sushi queen. So shout out to you, girl. And the Chinese word for the day is "xie", which means thank you. So xie nim. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.